Do you guys remember very somewhat big profile homophobe Kim Davis? This is really funny because I get to report on this story now. When this happened, did not have a channel or anything, and I was actually watching news about this and seeing it. I remember I think it was in 2015 that this happened. And I remember she was protesting. She was someone who refused to give gay marriage licenses because she's a Christian, and she's had, I think, three or four husbands now. So as per usual for a douchey Christian, she's not even really following her own religion, of course. And there were certain people who were like, yeah, breaking, not doing your job. You're a fucking hero, man. No, what the hell? And here's something interesting. This is what the headline reads. This is not from The Hill. It says, Kentucky governor's lawyers say Kim Davis should have to pay gay couples legal fees. Oh, man, am I here for this one. This is karma if I've ever seen it. And it gets even more interesting. Here's why. This is what The Hill says. It says, attorneys for Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin said in a court filing that former Rowan County clerk Kim Davis should be held responsible for legal fees incurred by same-sex couples who sued her for denying marriage licenses. Fuck yeah. It says, the Lexington Herald-Leader reported Wednesday that while Bevin has publicly supported Davis and lauded her as an inspiration, his attorney said in a court brief that the former clerk, quote, stood in direct conflict with the law. The governor's lawyers argued that the Rowan County Clerk's Office, not the state of Kentucky, should be stuck with nearly $225,000 in court costs accrued in lawsuits against Davis. Quote, Davis had an independent and sworn duty to uphold the law as an elected county officer. If fees are rewarded, they must be the responsibility of the Rowan County Clerk's Office, which should be deterred from engaging in conduct that violates civil rights and leads to costly litigation. Oh boy, is this karma. Karma is a bitch. Karma is a bitch. And the reason why I said it's super funny is, and I didn't know this, apparently the governor of that state of Kentucky is also a douchey homophobe who says, oh, she's an inspiration. And remember Mike Huckabee there and saying, oh, if you want to take someone to jail, take me, which is hilarious. Like, bitch ass, if they came with handcuffs, you'd be crying. Say, no, I was just joking. But anyways, he says that she's an inspiration to him, but he doesn't want the state of Kentucky to pay $225K in legal fees. Now, I don't know what the GDP of Kentucky is and how their budget works and shit, and if that's really a burden for them or not. I know that the other states that aren't states like Cali, New York have not exactly the best GDPs, but states like Mississippi, obviously there are good states too. But anyways, he sees her as an inspiration, but he's like, fuck out of here. I'm out, bro. I'm not paying $225K. The state's not paying $225K in legal fees to the people who sued you. Your ass is gonna pay for it. So while the governor is like, I support her and I'm a fan of hers, his attorneys are like, yo, she needs to foot it. Oh my God, is that so fucking hilarious? One of the few times the justice has served